It's Teresa in the Pulaski County Library Teen Department. Today we're going to be making Valentine chocolate bouquets. What we're going to need is a mason jar. Now this one is just a pint, but you can make bigger ones with the quart. And this just happens to be painted inside. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. And you're going to need some candy, the small fun size. You're going to need, this is just a flour styrofoam that you put in the bottom of something to be able to put your candy. And you're going to need some tissue paper and dowel rods for to put your candy on. And then this is just a little rock. You can get these, or you can use gravel of any kind. What it is, it just puts it in the bottom of here so that your candy, depending on how much you put in there, doesn't tip your jar over. So it puts a little weight in the bottom. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your candy. You're going to take your dowel rod, and you can cut them into different lengths, is what I did. Just different various lengths so that they are up a little bit different lengths so that you can see them a little bit better. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your dowel rod and put it on your piece of candy, and then you will take some tape and just put it lengthwise on there, just some Scotch tape, and then that holds it on there like that. And you do different lengths, and then what you're going to do is take your rock. Actually, probably what you want to do first is take your tissue paper. Now, one of the reasons you might want to do it first is if you have a clear jar, then it's going to look red or, have the color to it. But you're going to put a piece down in there, and you're going to lay your rock down in the bottom. And then you're going to cut your little styrofoam there to put down in the bottom that fits to put your dowel rods in. And then once you get that in the bottom there, once you've fixed your candy the way you want, then you're going to place it in there however you feel you like it. And then I just took some more tissue paper and put around the edges there just to fluff it up a little bit more. And so that's how, it's just real simple, real easy. If you want to draw some designs or put some stickers or anything like that on the outside of your jar, that'd be cute too, however you want to do it. So there's a little Valentine's bouquet chocolate bars. So, thanks.